You're right about Kane. There's something between him and Vasquez. Something more than Lenny. They operate the same way. I can't figure it out. Listen, they're moving Lenny the day after tomorrow. I get the details a couple of hours before they move.
You sure?
Am I sure? I'm a freaking holy wonder, baby. I got a hotline to the slime.
Get out as soon as you know. Your cover is too thin to hold. Next time they'll make sure.
Look, this ain't finished yet. I stay till it is.
Jones, we'll get someone else in. A new face. Look, yours is tripping too many wires.
It's my face that's unlocking the doors.
We got options. We can pick the locks. I'll make some calls.
Look, Vasquez has more men pouring into Chicago every day. Yesterday he sent a team back to Vegas. You know it ain't gonna stop here. Where next? San Diego, Miami? Kane's losing ground every minute. We have to stop them here, Tanner, while Kane still has a chance. We have to bring Lenny in now.
48 hours, Jones. That's all you got. Then we bring in a new face and we do this different.
This is the only way.
The ship we tagged last night is on its way out to Havana with a hull full of toys. I don't want that hardware leaving. When's it moving? It's already loaded.
Perdemos a suspeito.